In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the best way to zoom in and out in Photoshop. So how to zoom in, first of all. So if you want to zoom in, I'm going to show you different methods, and then you pick which method you like the most. So if you should see here zoom tool or Z, click on Z, and when you click on Z and you just click and just drag, you zoom in, as you can see. Really fast or slow. If you hold, if you hold like this, you click and then you hold, you drag. Sorry, you click and then you drag. You actually zooming in, and you can drag and actually move your mouse up like that. You zoom out. Now, of course, you can also just click one time and you zoom like this, just one time, and then you should see here this then actually the minus, which if you click, just click, will just zoom out. And now, as you can see, we are not is not the screen is not where we want. You can move with this. You want to move, so the portrait or the landscape or project you're working on will fit your entire screen, or you can also click on fill screen or fit screen, or just here 100% or fit screen or fill screen, which one you like the most. And you can also, because you're zooming in, you can also use this shortcut that I like, which is so you have selected move, you have selected move tool or any other tool, maybe brush, and now you want to zoom in. Now, instead of going here and clicking on zoom tool, you can also hold alt, and when you hold alt, not alt, sorry, if you hold Z, you can actually zoom in. And now another thing that you can do is actually, once you zoom in and if you want to pan around, instead of using this, you can also hold space on your keyboard, and this hand icon will appear and you can pan around. And that's another method. Now, zooming in, it's actually great, obviously, because you want to zoom in, and you're gonna do this a lot while you're working on your project. So if you can also, as I said, that use Z, that's great as well, because you can just click or just drag. But if you select move tool and then you you have selected move tool, but then you would like to, let's say, to zoom in, right? But you don't want to select to the, because it takes time to go here and then just click on zoom tool. You have selected the move tool. If you want to just zoom in really fast, just hold Z. That's what I do, and I think it's really fast. Now, if you want to go back to move tool, just press V, and that's its shortcut. You see here, if you hover over and you see move tool and you see the shortcut here. If you don't want to see all this and it's like annoying to you, you can go to general, and here in interface, I forgot where it was, but somewhere here you can deactivate that, because it sometimes is annoying showing you all the information. Okay, so I'm really sorry. Yeah, so I found that. Now it's actually here in tools. Just deactivate tooltips, show rich tooltips, deactivate this, and then you won't see any. But yeah, maybe if you're a beginner, it's good because it's showing you the shortcuts. But yeah, now usually I use Z and space to pan around and move. That's the method I use, and I think is the one of the faster ways to move around and zoom in. And also, if you can't find this toolbar, let's say is not there, you can go to Window and then Workspace and click on Reset Essentials. And now we'll just reset. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Yeah, so I forgot about method that I was doing unconsciously. So if you just, as I said, Alt is also working as well. You just have to use the middle button. So if you actually use the middle button and the middle scroll wheel on your mouse, it's not working. You're just doing up and down is going. But if you hold Alt, you actually zoom in, and this is really fast. Because you can also use Z and then you just drag, which is good as well. Then space to span around, to move around. But another way is to use this Alt, and it's not even changing to the zoom. It's just really fast, this one as well. And I just realized what I was editing, that's what I'm using the most unconsciously, because I was doing that without even realizing, because I was using Alt. But I correct me if I'm wrong, but I know throughout the video actually I mentioned that I'm using Alt. Anyways, thank you for watching.